fucking farmers blocking the goddamn driveway, motherfucker! How's it going, dick knob? That's a pretty combine there. Fucking John Deere 9400, I think. Not exactly sure, but you know, we're gonna go buck Chief Itchy Nuts now. We'll join you there in a few minutes because we have to get cunt out of the way. Stupid driveway. So, hello there, welcome to Bullcrap Garage. Today on Bullcrap Garage, we are combining actually in an undisclosed location. It's John the Tractor Man's place. So, you know, my lovely wife made me dinner, actually, before I left. But, you know, today's video is not sponsored, but I wish. If you all can tell me what I do for a living, I will give you, I don't know what I'll give you, but a whole lot of squat. But, you know, I'm having a dart. I'm not allowed to smoke in the combine. So, here we are. Grain carts full of bins. All bins and stuff. And, you know, good times. Good times. Let's go see what the fucking Chief Itchy Nuts is up to. Because, you know, this is his natural habitat. Let him go. Watch where I step here because, you know, welcome to the lovely planet Earth of combine. You got air wheels on the front, which are pushing all the soybeans into the auger. I missed really good content yesterday, but here I am today. Fucking dirt globs. This combine's name is George. She's a good machine. She runs like a champ. Great combine, horrible driver. There he goes again. Now he's shooting out soybeans out of the back, which is this trash. See it there? It's all pods and stuff. It's good shit. So, you know, the soybeans grow, they plant them, they spray them, plant them, spray them again, and then wait for harvest. And then, yeah. I'm gonna jump at the combine here when he comes back around, and then we'll catch up with you then. Way to go! Isn't that right, Chief Itchy Nuts?
Ah, Itchy Nuts, your wife, I might.
Oh. Okay, I would do my wife too, but you gotta be careful with that, eh?
Yeah, I have chlamydia.
Oh.
So if you get chlamydia a few weeks down the line, you know what happened.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Oh.
Good times.
These two are pretty good buddies.
No shit, eh?
Yeah.
Fuck. Sure heard the things we were saying this morning. Why not?
Yeah, why
You know, this is welcome to the world of Zach, where, you know, we get it done our 8 a.m. until 4:30 job, and then we try to come here.
not? This isn't gonna work. I
know.
It's like driving an ATV, but a fuck a lot bigger. Oh, you're driving a lifted truck.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. When I go down the road, my 20-foot fucking dick hangs out.
Yeah, it does.
Knock signs over.
Yeah.
Was that your mailbox? Sorry.
Oh, sorry, Karen. You know, remember when you called the cops on us last week. Yeah, we knocked down your mailbox.
Fucking took this thing down like the town line. There was an arrow between the garbage bins and the mailbox, like inches to spare on each side of the header. Fucking cop passes me and gives me a thumbs up.
They know it's harvesting season in Forest. Oh, good old times. Great times.
There it is.
So how's the field yielding?
This field's doing great. The other field I did, take shit's bigger than that yield. It needs corn.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, big time.
Everything around here needs corn.
Field should have probably $10,000 more. Time,
Wow.
time to fucking get some corn in here. This is good ground here. Look at how this branch is coming out.
Oh yeah.
Bigger beams don't pile up on the header and go faster, even though you're putting more through it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You get a window yet up there?
Just touching it.
Well, let's go. We should go dump it.
Alright, time to erect.
Let's get the combine excited. All right.
Oh.
Yeah, you wish combine. Or it's more like you wish humans.
Yeah, right?
Just go deposit our seed in the box.
Yeah. You know, it's like dropping off the sperm donor.
Alright, he's all excited.
Yeah, excited. Ready to go.
Alright, we get the dump on an angle.
Ooh.
Doggy style, but combines.
Oh. Fancy.
Back up to Zach's car and turn the straw chopper on. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we should do. We should open it up on Zeke's car. Break every single window in that fucking piece of shit.
It's getting a little closer, okay?
Yeah.
The Dutch chips here.
Ooh.
Alright, let's see what we got. Metal on metal action.
Yeah, it's like sandblasting. Probably does better than sandblasting, honestly.
See how shiny the knife is in the auger.
Oh, I know. Fucking. Oh, yeah. This is not work. This is just me playing around and being lazy. This is great.
They gotta fix the fucking thing. That is work.
Yeah.
Alright. So fun.
So much fun?
Plenty of wagon space, don't need to overload.
No.
Alright.
Just a tiny field anyways. You know?
What? City boy stuff.
Yeah, city boy stuff.
Zach, go crawl in that bin with your man bun.
Alright.
You know what happened? Brain slug.
Yeah. I like peanuts and syrup.
I'm vegan now.
I'm vegan now. I'm now liberal. I hate diesel vehicles. And anybody who rolls coal is stupid. In the meanwhile, yeah, right, yeah, yeah. Zach, hold still. This ain't gonna hurt a bit. This is gonna hurt a lot.
You have that hard work. You can threaten to fuck my wife all you want, but the second you say you're a vegan, that's fight.
That's fine, yeah. Vegan, diesel hating. All right, get the fuck out.
I'll win. I ate a cow last night, almost raw.
Almost.
Yeah, I decided to just cook it on the edges.
Ooh.
Making a seed deposit.
Yeah. Good old seed deposit. Did I tell you my wife likes me?
Shut up. You full of shit.
Yeah, I got in the bum last night.
Camera.
Yeah.
You got in the bum.
Yeah, I got in the bum, you know?
Bum. Holy shit. What'd you do? Take her to like sushi or something?
No.
Did you like give her money?
No.
Did you go have dinner with the in-law?
I don't know what I did. I don't know. Now I'm worried because, like, we got to be prepping up for something. Like, she's got to be making brownie points for something, right? And then today, I asked her, hey, can you cook dinner for me and be ready for when I'm home? And she goes, yeah, actually, I can.
You know what? You're going to get pegged. It's going to be your turn.
Yeah, I know. It's going to be my turn to get it in the bum.
She's going to go to the steak shop with you, going, oh, Zach, let's look at strap-ons. So you're going to pull out a strap-on, itty-bitty dick. She's going to be like, no.
Right?
13 inches.
Yep, that's exactly what it's going to be. All right.
Here we go.
Time to just rev her up again.
No, like starting it. Full throttle. Here we go. That's the ending.
You know what's the great part about me being the editor? I can edit out what I feel like.
You're gonna edit out that bum sex part?
Maybe. Not the pegging part, though. That's good shit. That's funny. There's a difference, you know? Who knows? Zach's been so fucking lazy lately that he hasn't still edited the last video that he made 6 months ago. Oops.
So you got it in the bum.
Yeah, I got it in the boom.
You married yet?
No.
That's why I got it.
No bum, yeah. Does engaged count and does married coming up to make sense?
No.
Oh.
So everybody at the wedding knows you're gonna fuck on the honeymoon. But they know you're never gonna fuck again after that.
Oh, that's why everybody's so peaceful about it.
You will get your virginity back.
Yeah, actually, you know what? That sounds about right.
Yeah. You'll be like, did that wrong. Yeah, you're right.
Just like the fact of you saying to me in your first apartment, you know, once you move in together, it's good for about the first 4 or 5 months. You know, you guys are like freaking banging away like two teenagers, and all of a sudden, one day it just stops. And you know what? You were right.
She goes, yeah, I don't like your dick. It's stinky.
Yeah, right.
You pay the bills and stuff. It's like, I'll shag it every now and then, but like not every fucking time. Don't you dare get a fucking pocket pussy.
Yep.
I didn't get one. I got an auto blow in the eye.
Auto blow.
When she says no, I just go slap that fucking machine on, and I play some fucking Halo fucking Infinite while I get fucking milked by my milker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, great part about Bullcrap Garage is it's 18 plus.
We don't
And
care if you're demonetized.
No,
If
not
you
one
don't
bit.
get- Oh, I farted.
Oh, no, now we're trapped in a closed cab together. Oh.
This is pressurized. It'll filter. Don't worry.
Oh.
I won't even get to enjoy that fucking pogo I had for breakfast.
Oh, Pogo for breakfast. Wow, you are during harvest.
Pogo for lunch and uncooked.
Oh, yeah,
pogo.
no, I got to enjoy that. Woo, that fucker stinks.
Oh, oil of oregano too.
Oh, that'll do it.
It helps digest it. Pogo.
So, did your Dutch oven deep fryer work out well?
I don't know. I haven't been home. I live in here.
I can tell you live in here, dude. Like, look at it. And Red Bull in one hand, phone in the other one, you know. Fuck. You know, honestly, God, thinking of which, you know what? This is not actually all that bad for you.
Oh, I clean house. This is just today's garbage.
Oh, just today's garbage, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. And then when Combine breaks down, then TJ gets to live in Combine deep in the abyss.
Yeah, for a few hours anyways.
For a few hours, hopefully.
See, you get anal in the bedroom, and I gotta give this thing anal. There's probably some big old fucking thistle up there.
Well, there always has to be a thistle, minimum one, and a thorn tree.
Might as well combine a fucking 12-foot cactus.
Might as well.
And no
Man.
gloves to be seen.
Oh, no. No. Gloves are for pussies and liberals.
Then when you're done pulling all that out, you're covered in splinters in your hand. The missus says, no, don't wank. So you have to wank with the fucking thistles and prickles in your hand.
You know what's the great part? You'll never get them out either. And then your wife, the wife looks at you, goes like this, and goes, you know, what happened to your wiener? Did you stick it somewhere you're not supposed to? No, I stuck my hand where it wasn't supposed to, and then I got to touch my wiener because you said no.
Yeah, fucking wank, it doesn't work when you work physical labor. Your hands aren't soft. So you go to jerk off with some fucking sandpaper.
80 grit minimum.
Fucking most coarsest shit you can find. I could polish the paint off the fucking car with my hands from how rough they are. Why some gay guy watching your video going, oh my!
I hope to just clarify here, we have wives. No matter how much this seems like a romance right now, we have wives.
Zach, why'd you cock out? What are you doing with it now, buddy?
All right.
I might have been a bit too far.
I might have been just a hair, eh?
It's okay, not like anyone ever watches these videos. It was that moment it went viral.
Yeah, that moment it went viral. Yeah, that'd be exactly it. And then YouTube, no. We need to demonetize this guy and take him off there.
That's all right. We'll just sell T-shirts like.
Rings
of Power sucks.
Yep.
I watched the first 4 episodes. So colorful, but then Gladriel got on a fucking boat and was like, throw her back in the water. She's such a scowling, miserable old bitch. That's all I can think of. Remember that part?
Yeah, I do. Just throw her overboard. It's not worth it anymore.
And the Numenorians pick her up and she's just staring all pissed off. And boy, you're not fucking thankful he got saved. Throw her overboard.
Yep, throw her overboard.
Save yourself a fucking headache.
Yeah. You know, when everybody says to you, is your wife as beautiful as my wife? And then you always say to them, wait a minute, your wife's pretty?
When the lights are on.
We may actually have to edit that part out.
Yeah, our women don't even see these.
My wife actually watches these.
Well, that's where your views are coming from.
Probably.
She's our #1 ad revenue supporter.
Ad revenue? There's no such thing. You have to get a minimum of 1,000 views to make $1.
If this video gets 1,000 views, I'll take my shirt off.
Please don't get 1,000 views. Please don't get 1,000 views. I don't want to have to edit. I don't want to look at that, then edit it. Fuck that noise.
I have no self-respect.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. We can flip each other off all we want. I don't fucking care.
Uh-oh, I got fired for harassing you.
Really? There's an HR around here? I thought it was your pillow when you cry into it at night.
No, Zach, I'm the head of HR, you fucker.
Oh my! That's why we get away with so much. We're going to cut wood, and then all of a sudden we gotta drop off wood to the sexy wood customer, and we're all talking about it on the way. Yeah! And then all of a sudden we get there, and we're all, yes, ma'am. And then the second the doors close on the truck, and we're about 4 feet away, going like, did you look at her tits? Like,
we have a hot wood customer?
No, we don't. That's the problem.
We never had, no. Usually they're all cheap and old. And
nah, no.
Maybe you'll get a gum job when the teeth come out.
Ooh, it's better than her biting your cock.
Oh, shit. You know, I have an idea for a channel. We should just talk. Tape it.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. We don't need that gamer, you know. I'm gaming real-life farming simulator.
Yeah.
And he just talks about Chris Hansen punishing a diddler. But it's like, we don't need that playing a game while Chris Hansen punishes the diddler.
No. You know, we can almost start fucking a podcast, and I bet that would get more views than this stupid YouTube channel.
Oh, apparently you can't even say dead on Twitch anymore. It's called Unalive. Zach, Grandma's unalive.
Aw, Grandma's unalive, really?
Yeah, in her box, rotting away unalive.
Oh, damn it, man.
Can't just say fucking dead anymore. Maybe we should just not give a shit about making any money on YouTube and give people what they fucking want.
Well, you know, that's the whole point of this. That's the whole point of this is, you know, we work on hot rods, we film some combining, we film some fucking bullshit about, you know, farming and everything else, and then we show the real side of things. We show the bullshit and the unwanted. You know, honest to God, if I knew that this video would not get taken down of him taking a shit, I would film it.
Hello, behold, I've done it because there's no shitters nearby. Well, that's the way you're sitting.
That explains why it smells like poo underneath this seat.
Yep.
Oh my God, we're almost done this field already.
Yeah.
I jumped in about halfway through. You know, and look at that, the entertainment factors just went up from fucking 1 to 10.
Right there, 10 squeezing that tight squeeze without a spotter.
Which tight squeeze?
I gotta go between the shed and the bins.
Ooh! I'll spot ya.
Yeah, the header's 20 feet and it's like 20 feet 8 inches. I gotta squeeze through.
Oh.
It's
You
about
know, that's annoying when you have to go back for literally 2 rows.
Oh, we'll go back before. There we go.
Yeah, there we go. That's better. That's better. Yeah.
Doesn't matter either way.
Yeah, we're going back. Like.
Oh, now down to 3 rows.
Whee! Oh my God, the G-forces, man.
It's like you're on a coaster, or it's like it's like you're drunk and a 600-pound lady and you're on top of her. And it just spins around real quick.
Yeah, there we go.
SSBBW, DP, gangbang, creep pie, cuckold.
I think he's the cuckold.
No. You understand? SSBBW, creep pie, gangbang, cuckold, shitting missing board.
Ooh, sounds like a good time, actually.
How about 900 pounds?
And done this field. Well, I'm gonna go spot him. I don't feel like filming
there's
that.
the spotter. You can film it now.
Oh boy! Now we get to film the oh fuck it up moment where, you know, we have to fit in between bins and barn.
Might as well unload what I got and be later.
Right. Isn't that interesting on how the knives work? And they cut the soybean and then they feed it into the oven.
They'll cut your fucking finger too.
Oh, I believe it, man.
We put her on like over a year ago. Fucking cut your fucking fingers too. They're sharp as shit.
Oh, I bet they are.
Watch me go, oh, you combine your own field. That's
Yeah, that'd be exactly it. Really, dummy? You fucking combined the wrong one.
Alright, well, we gotta throttle down.
Yep, so we can creepy crawly up to the fucking V-Box.
It's like being in the locker room shower. There's a bunch of wieners and you can't touch it with your wiener.
Now, if you look at those, are you considered gay?
Get closer. I don't know. No.
No.
If you like it, you're gay.
Oh, okay. So if I have a boner because I was looking at all the chicks, bummies going running, and then all of a sudden I get into the shower room, and then all of a sudden it's dude wiener. It's.
Don't worry. If you're truly straight, you'll lose it quick.
Oh, okay. What happens if you don't?
Don't tell anyone.
Oh my. Here comes the cranky boss.
Oh, he's pretty chill.
I know he's pretty chill, but it's fun that way. Yep, that's right. Spread it all over the driveway. Wind will take it away later.
Nah.
Not very much in there. Ah. Hello.
Morning.
How are you?
Well, you want to squeeze between the bin and shed and try and get to the other end?
I'll get little Johnny and pick up the wagon over there if you want. And then if there are 2 empty ones over there, that'll be enough to hold that.
Yeah, you gotta put corn over there. I think you would get more money.
We'll figure out how many feet. I got about 10 or 11 acres and I'll be done. I'm not far from the dam now.
And
on the
so
wheat
let's say,
I'll get you started over there, then I'll go back and finish the wheat, and then that's not supposed to rain up tomorrow later on in the afternoon.
perfectly again.
Let's see if we can get everything gathered up and unloaded tonight, though.
Yeah, I'll get this field opened up and away from the garden. Then I might feel like it's really dry. I'll feel like go pretty quick on this. Might feel like finish at other spots.
Well, yeah, finish that, and then by then the sun will be down. And
The yield here is twice as good as the other field.
it's only 9 acres or so, so it's not as much as 900 bushel almost.
Yeah,
So it's got to be well over 50 anyway.
pretty good.
All right, well, let's squeeze. Let's get the KY out and squeeze her in.
Let's get some KY jelly out. Alrighty.
Alrighty.
It's gonna be on camera. Oh, did you get dusted?
Yeah, I did. I got a whole face full of dust.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's riding.
Oh, he's riding. Oh boy! All right, time to fit in between bin, barn, bin, and barn. That'll be fun.
I'm driving in the wagon, just swinging up too far.
Yeah, rear wheel steer.
Probably good. Back up to your car, turn straw chopper on it.
You know what? That probably wouldn't be the worst thing I've done to that car.
I shagged in that car, and you weren't looking one time.
I shagged in that car too, multiple times. Pretty good shags in that car.
Oh, I hope I didn't shag in your wet spot.
Oh, you think that it is, and there isn't just one spot, eh? We'll let you think that there's only just one.
Oh my.
My car gets detailed once a month.
Hey, we got little kids at home. If you gotta have a shag, you gotta run out to the car sometimes.
Still better than what I did to Dirge, so.
Oh god. I like sat down on that with fucking poison ivy and shit. You made your dick didn't fall off.
I'm amazed too, honestly. Cultivator. Then we got bins.
Let's turn that radio up. Oh, let's get off the ladder. Moving machine. Okay, here we go. Let's get nice and square with the world. They're all fucking corn.
But then you wouldn't have been combining anything this year.
So this gash represents the money I make, and this combine is Justin Trudeau's dick ready to fucking fuck me and take my taxes. Let's see how much money he leaves me with.
I assume 0. Saying that way.
I know there'll be some equipment I have to dodge on that side. He probably didn't take it.
It's alright, because it's almost dark break time, so I'll let him,
Alright.
Go
So
on.
that bin's my money. This shed's my money. This is the tax man's dick, the combine header. And my left with flush, he's taking a big chunk.
Yeah, he is.
I'm a good driver.
Obviously. Yeah, spotter guy.
Well, if you can do this, you can do pretty much anything in life, I figured.
This makes looking in Toronto traffic look like a dream.
No, this is better than Toronto traffic. Even Detroit traffic's better than Toronto traffic.
That's true.
Toronto traffic. When I went to Toronto, we got up at like 2 in the morning. So it was like 4 in the morning when we went through.
My God, dude.
It was genius.
We've had to drop off Dad at the railroad before,
Yeah.
and it was all the way in Toronto where his airport was. And he says, Well, don't worry. You guys only have to drop me off at 5 a.m. My mom's like, I love driving in Toronto at 5 a.m. There's nobody.
Oh, yeah, actually a few cars. But it's not. It's like Sarnia.
Sarnia at 5 a.m. dead.
My favorite is in fucking Toronto and the streetcars coming at you.
And of course, we have to label nothing. See, he's got the piss jug in his hand.
No, this isn't Nova Scotia.
Oh, right. We're not in Newfoundland, or else we'd all be covered in piss right now.
Besides, Ray's living in a dump in Florida now.
Who's living in a dump in Florida?
You know, Ray from Trailer Park.
Oh, yeah.
He no longer is throwing dirty old piss jugs. Getting his header up and won't be damaging any of those cobs. Top of the corn plant's not worth a lot anyways. I'm gonna end up trampling some. Oh god, I can't see anything else.
Alright, forward. Left.
Left? Okay. God. Left more. Fucking
Keep
combines over top of the plow there.
Yep. We always have to make sure that there's a bunch of shit in the way.
Oh, it looks like the header can go right over it.
Oh, just barely. Like, you know what I mean? If you've ever taken a literal cunt hair off of your wife or your own pubes, it's about how much it has.
The corn plants are pretty resilient. I feel like fighting the header.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Wow, you remembered it better than I can.
That's all I remember.
Elemental, I gotta pee.
I gotta pee!
Alright, I can't see. I'm gonna blow right in the header.
Yep, you're good. You clear. No problem.
Alright, that was fun, kids.
Alright, I'm gonna let Chief Itchy Nuts do his job. I'm gonna go out and have a dirt.
Ah, they got power line.
Oh, he's marking the thingy there for you. The pin. Yeah.
Hey, nothing to it. Okay, I'll get wagons. I'll go get wagons.
This wheel's nothing but weeds here. Now we're getting into soybeans here. 9400 John Deere. It's a good combine. Quality. Let's see if we can get a video of the knife blades working. See how the air reels are gonna push that all in. Woo! Some coal blowing! And off he goes. He's gonna win. He's gonna win! Pretty nice combine considering. Shrapnel under the ass. No, I don't like the dust anymore. The dust is mean. Puh. So we've left the demon to his own. I don't know at this point. They're combining over there. That's all I know. Okay? You know, I'm sorry. I don't have very much content to film. Oh yeah, dart. Let's go get a dart actually. So, you know, I'm gonna go get myself a dart. And then I gotta give John the tractor man his dinner. And yeah, you know, look at that. Nice Farmall with the Westfield. Yeah, Westfield grain auger. Right now, I'm walking over top of the overhead bin. The overhead hopper. I got a Blink John here. Probably go do some running around with them. Enjoy that little slice of hell. You know, we'll show you guys some soybeans possibly. And then, yeah. You know, this is what I'm here for. I'm just here for generalized, hey, Zach, we need dinner. Okay, I can go get you guys dinner. Hey, Zach, yeah? I need help unloading this grain bin. Okay. Hey, Zach, yeah. You know what time it is? What's that? Time to cut wood. Fuck. But, you know, maybe, just maybe, we'll get some permission to go filming the cutting of the wood. Now I have to grab my other cell phone and eat a dirty, dirty, dirty Canadian goose. You know, by the way, if y'all need painting done and you're in the Sarnia-Lambton area, actually, no. You know, I'm not very friendly when I'm on my own. When I'm at work, I'm working. We do great work. And, you know, I'm trying to work myself up to be a professional painter. Maybe one day. This is just a glimpse on what's in the shed. Okay? Antique farm tractor galore. And that's all you get. So, oh, and this is what Chief Itchy Nuts was talking about. That fucking thing right there. But, you know, beans are in the bin. Maybe see if I can pop open a door here and actually show you maybe an empty bin. Oh, they might get mad for this. Oh, somewhat empty. Good enough. You know, but Thermal M, wood wagon, fuel shed, shitty trailer, log splitter. There's a plow here on my left. Yep, left. Quality plow, couldn't tell you here. All I know is it's a plow. And the jungle. My God, we finally made it back around. So we're gonna put you guys down because I'm pretty sure you're feeling seasick at this point. George does quality work, and only the most qualitiest of work, right? So that combine there, they just got it last year? Yeah, I'm pretty sure last year. And been a good combine so far. As far as combines go. On a farm, the most expensive piece of equipment you're gonna buy, and you're gonna use the fucking least, is one of those. It's just not the newest, obviously, but obviously nothing around here is the newest. You know, maybe if we get some likes, some comments, some things saying, hey, bullshit, Zach, we want to see the equipment. I could maybe make that happen. And these are green soybeans. Yeet. For random reason, I like them. Always wanted to be a farmer when I grow up. And here I am. Oops. But, you know, the whole point of us of me filming this is it's great content. Maybe people would actually watch this type of shit. I'm not sure at this point. Why are we stopping? Chief Itchy Nuts in his glory. That's all I can say. It's Chief Itchy Nuts. Combining is one of the more slower things you do around here. But needs to get done. You know. Chief Itchy Nuts there is enjoying every single little ounce of this right now. He is in the realm. He is in the combine. We may or may not allegedly speed this up. I'm not exactly sure yet. But look at the fall colors in behind there. Look at that corn. I like corn. Corn's good times. Wow, that's pretty right there. All right, well, oh, he's almost done. I'll let him finish, and then we're gonna cut the video for a little while. We'll show you when it's all done, what it looks like, and what Chief Itchy Nuts looks tired. There's the profit. As John, the tractor man, would say. You know, the boss here is pretty chill. I'm in the way. Alright, we're gonna cut the video for a little while. Oh, that's cool.
The world's luckiest pumpkin.
No shit, eh? The world's luckiest fucking pumpkin. And that's where he gets to stay.
Yeah, well, I gotta go get some wagon, so.
Alright, well, I gotta join you, so. This is the field where we always got, that's the fucking spot we always get stuck. I like Chief Itchy Nuts' truck. It's a pretty nice truck. I'll give him that. It's a pretty fucking nice truck there, buds. Borrowed. Good times. Good times. Oh my god, look at that. That's so pretty. Wagons. Pretty. That's so pretty. So So I had to jump to another field. He's got these 3 V boxes. And then, oh no, these ones, those 2 are full, I know that much. Oh yeah, those are full. You can hear the soybeans falling. Yeah, there's the woods. Pretty sunset with a tractor in the background. Gorgeous. Gonna talk to this man. Yeah. Bringing these wagons to where TJ is now. Well, I guess Chief Hitchy Nuts. See if that'll actually balance. 4 ways. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Holding the money home. All the way home. My seatbelt's on. Children, put on your seatbelts! You know, we'll film all the way up until the corner here. Depending on how boring this is, I may cut it. I don't know yet. Holy fuck. Why do you got the heat on? You know, on crank too. I'll leave it on heat though. Especially on windshield because he'll get mad if I don't. Made him home. I'm gonna go unhook him just to save him some troubles. Getting off the tractor. John the tractor man. And then yeah, we're gonna go back, get the 3 full ones. Does he? Oh yeah, he does. Gotta watch them tires. They'll crush your foot so fucking fast, won't even be funny. He'll probably be coming around, throwing that in the bin. Oh, look at that, I just cleared it. Just cleared it. John the tractor man on Little John, which is, I don't know if John did. John on John. Funny. Good quality shit here. Only the best of stuff, right? The last wagon's trying to come around right now. And then I'll unhook him and we'll go back. Alright. Oh, just leave it hooked on? Alright.
I'm not going anywhere else with this tractor anyway.
Heh.
Okay, well, he's got a friggin' bin full already by the time he gets up here.
Wow, look at him go.
It's gonna start getting tough. We wonder to even finish this tonight.
He's pretty, how do you put that? Stubborn?
The machine can only take so much, though, as stubborn as you want to be.
Yeah,
If it's bung solid, you're not going any further.
that's true. That is very, very valid.
Oh, yeah.
Very valid point.
Just get a little mound. Oh, I see the boner sticking out.
Oh.
It's gonna unload.
The erection. The erection for gestational erections. I think that's the fullest I've seen it all year.
Whoa. It didn't even hasn't gone very far. This is a pretty good crop over here too.
No shit, eh?
It's alright.
Holy crap.
Easiax is a shitty one, and the one behind the barn at Graham. That's the spots that need to get ripped and have corn put in.
Yeah.
Maybe I will do Easiax for sure.
Well, even that there needed corn, obviously.
Oh yeah, it was just
Bonerific. Good stuff. Good stuff.
I thought I should have him do this, just this half in and the corn too.
I think he's going to try to finish that.
Gonna make it a little wider so we can
Turn around.
turn around.
Yeah. Bushman! COVID! $20 head. The Annihilator 6000. Chief Itchy Nuts. And done. I'll go fix it. Holy fucking heck. Last load of the fucking night. Yeah, get a little bit closer there, buddy.
Oh, no, the profits.
Nah, told you. Profits. There you go. Alright, that's me and Chief Itchy Nuts. We're fucking out. We're going to bed. Bye.
Oh, I can't go to bed. There's a second job I gotta go to.
Auger.
No, begging the government for welfare, jerking off.
Oh, okay.
On the internet. My Twitch
Yeah.
fans.
Yeah.
Or my OnlyFans, you know.
Yep. Alright, well, he's got to go do OnlyFans. I got to go to work in the morning. Bye-bye.
I'm Krusty Sock 69. If you want to see a sock turn shattered, you come watch it.
A shock turn shattered. That'd be actually interesting.
It's my progress on the Jizz sock.
Oh.
Started off as a brand new sock. It says Puma on it, and wanked it too. There's progress. Wanked 6,000 or something around that. It does. You feel like a sock. It's like holding on to a piece of
glass.
glass.
Yeah.
Crusty glass.
Yeah. Alright, we're out. Bye. Hi guys. Look at them. Aren't they cute? Richard! Super hot out. That's actually not too bad considering. But you know, there's chicklets in the side here. And I guess a couple of baby turkeys. The honkers, the duckies, the turkeys. Couldn't tell you all their names. Maybe we'll get them out here one day and we'll get them to show them their names. But that's all for today, folks. Folks. But, you know, that's it for Bullcrap Garage. Next time on Bullcrap Garage, hopefully we'll have that thing in a better air compressor. Yeah. We'll have to see what happens. Until then, like, subscribe, share this video, and if you'd like, leave a comment down below. If this gets more than 5 likes, I will convince CJ to do a podcast with me. Here's a like goal though. 15 likes. 15 likes. And I'll try to convince one of the farmers that we know to get us a tour of all their equipment and stuff like that, because I think that'd be cool. So until next time, catch you later. I'm out. Bye-bye. Beer time.